Well, this is the second part of my trip to Bergen from Molde. My friend John just gave me a lift into the town. It seems pretty busy here. Ferries going backwards and forwards. And I'm now waiting for the Hurtigruten boat, which is going to take me down to Bergen from here. And I'm just going to show you here. That one is going to the island of Bergen, I think. Interesting. It's coming in at a very sharp angle. Here we are, 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're somewhere between Bergen and Molde. I can understand why people get so captivated by cruises. I was just thinking about what attracts people to the kind of Nordic emptiness. I can't really compare Norway with other similar countries, but I do feel that there is something special here, and this is perhaps what attracts people so much. An interesting thought. The Germans perhaps come because it's integrated into their race, if you like, that everything Nordic is in their roots. Hitler was very into Nordic mysticism and all the rest of that. So perhaps that's the answer. But for me, I just like the atmosphere. As the Hurtigruten passed a shipyard at Molde, what should I see but the ship's G.O. Sars? Now it happens that the first G.O. Sars was 1870s, I believe, and it was still going in 1924. My uncle was on it on a trip from which he writes about from the Shetland Islands to Bergen. So history, a big connection. The purpose of going to this meeting was to further the cause of anti-seaweed trawling. To this purpose, the meeting was very important for me, as there were many experts on every kind of environmental activism. The man I'd really come to see, Peter.M.Haugan, is probably the most influential figure in marine ecology in Europe, in fact, if not the world. And he didn't disappoint. When I asked him about seaweed trawling, he directed me towards Skog, this wonderful website where there was not a single mention of seaweed trawling. So, mission accomplished. I found out something very useful.
Gratulerer med innsatsen i bestefaderens klimaaksjon og etter møtet her i dag som ser. Gikk nattevakt, og så gikk hun seg på en gammel dame som heter Else, som gikk av videre bortover i gangen. Så sa han, Else, hvor er du på vei? Hva gjør du? Og har du sett Odd, mannen min? Nei, men Else, han er jo død for mange år siden. Å, det var trist. Du får hilse kona hans. Og slik har ikke dere vært.
Traktor.
Well, here we are, about an hour outside Bergen, and there is a tractor that's caught on fire in front of us, and we are going to be here for several hours, I think. Just coming into the last phase of the trip, Ålesund. Now I've got to find another bus to Molde. I got delayed quite heavily by the burning tractor. I made quite some new friends. So all in all, a very, very worthwhile trip. Now nearly 7. So there should be a bus here. Hopefully in a minute or two. GoPro stop capture.